Just to show you what happens when you get a bulb failure on a Volvo S40, you get this warning light on your dashboard. Bulb failure, low beam. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is switch the engine off, and I'll show you how to open your bonnet and change the bulb. So down your accelerator pedal, reach up, you can see there's a red catch. Pull that towards you and you hear a pop. Right. Now, your bonnet will have popped up about an inch and you can see a little yellow catch right in the middle there. Push that to the right. And then you can release the bonnet. Okay, then where your headlight is, just in front of it, there's the metal catch here, metal pin. Pull this out, pull it out completely. Oh, actually, I need to show you what the bulb looks like dead, don't I? Silly me, hold on. Right. Let's go back, start the car. Right, I'll show you what the bulb failure looks like. So, that one there is working. You've also got a side light on a little bit, I don't know if there's the orange there. So main light there is working fine. That's when you put on your full beam. Okay, come round, and there you go. Got the orange side light on, a little bit of light down the middle. But that's the bulb that's failed. Okay, that's what they call the low beam. That's one you have that's always running in daylight and night. So that's why they keep burning out so quickly. They're constantly on. The stupid feature of Volvos is that they drive with headlights on in the evening daylight. It's stupid to me. So that's what it should look like. And when it fails, for some reason you get that one light down the middle strip there. Anyway, switch your car off. Right, so just got to pop the bonnet again. Give me a second. Okay, so once you pop the bonnet, pull this pin out. Put it on the ground so you don't lose it, and then you can push, see where those two metal clips are, push that, and you push, the entire headlight pops out. Okay, and then you can grab it, and I'll put the camera on the tripod with your two hands. Okay, and then he says, and there you go, the entire headlight pops out. You can leave it hanging off that cable there, that's got enough tension to hold it in. Okay. Right, then undo these two clips, pull up and push down the other one. Push down the one that's at the bottom. It should unclip. That's it. And then you can pull the black plastic cover off the back. If you've got those clips out the way enough, right. So then the black cover comes off, put that on the ground. Oh, this is where it's going to be tricky to film. I'll try and do this. So then you need to unplug the cables from the back of the bulb. Just pull on that, wiggle it a bit, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Don't do it really hard. Do it carefully if you can. And eventually it should come loose, he says. God, that's on time. Come on, you bitch. Right, there you go. Right, now it's off. Then the little metal pin is hooked You see there's two little hooks, so push that down and it'll unhook. That's just a clip to hold the bulb in place. This is really awkward to do using one hand, holding a camcorder. I've only got one hand to... Oh, this is ridiculous. Right, okay, there you go. And then unclip that, and then you can pull the bulb out. Now, what is weird about this is I did this last night just to see, because it said it was failed, and I can't actually see that the bulb's failed. Where are we? So if I zoom in, I don't know if I'm going to get this in focus. It's just starting to rain as I'm filming, brilliant. I need something behind that to give you an idea. Don't touch the bulb in case it is live. In case it's still usable, I mean. Right, there you go. You can see the filament, and I can't see that the filament's burnt through, so why has it failed? I don't understand that. I can't see it. Normally that what looks like a little spring, if that's burnt through, that's your failure. Normally they look, you know, broken. I can't see that that's failed, so it's very strange. Okay. So, what else could have failed on the bulb? If anybody knows the answer to that, tell me, because I can't see that that's failed, even though it definitely wasn't working last night as I drove home. So, right, next step. Get your next bulb, and the ones that fit a Volvo S40 are called, well, the ones I use are called Osram night breakers, and H7 is the size. You buy a pack of 2 for about £14.50 on Amazon. Other shops are more expensive, like £18, £19, but the Osram night breakers, 2 in a packet. That's another one that's failed, so let me get one that might work. It might be one that's also failed, and I've still kept it in my packet, so let's show you this one. Do not touch the bulb with your fingers, because the oil from your skin, when it heats up, will actually cause the bulb to fail. Okay, there you go. That one looks intact to me, but I'm not sure if it's a new one. It might be one like the other one I've just shown you that's failed. So anyway, in fact I've written on it, that's what you should do if you do bother to keep failed bulbs. Right on it I've put July 16 to October 17. So presumably this is a failed one. I might as well try it while I'm here. So put it back in, line up the notch on the back of the bulb with the notch there. Where I'm touching my finger, it shows you where there's the notch for it to fit. Okay, and then put that metal clip back down, hook it over the 2 notches. That's now in. Reconnect the wires. Okay, next put the plastic plate back on the back. Make sure you got it the right way. Put the clips back down, clip back up. Okay, check that they're all 4 connections are in. You don't want this to come off. Then you can slide the headlight back in. Let me adjust my tripod out of the way. This is extremely awkward to do. Right, okay. So push the headlight all the way back in. That's it until it's flush with the bodywork. Okay, then put the pin back in.
No, not at all. So see how you feel tomorrow. You might have to go over this control. I'll let you know. It's probably sort of like
Okay, put the pin back in. No. Just filming me fixing something on the car. It's recording, sorry. And then put the pin back in. Right, now I'll start it up. And you've probably got the same same message because I think I've just put in an old bulb, but I might as well. Oh, I've got bonnet open warning at the moment. Let me actually, if we close, I'll just go and have a look then. No, that bulb was alright. That's weird how I've written on it. It's being a used one. Maybe it's a used one that I kept. Maybe I fitted 2 new bulbs at one point and kept the one that was... Yeah, that's what... So there you go, I fixed it. Sorted. Glad I saved that one. Okay. There you go, that's how to change a bulb on a Volvo S40. Right, click like if you like that, subscribe to me, look at my other videos. Thanks for watching, bye bye.